Welcome to the Ultipa GQL Fundamentals class. With the graph created, you are ready to insert nodes and edges into it. This graph from the previous lesson includes node types, user and club, and edge types, follows and joins. The GQL statement you use to add data to a graph is insert. To insert nodes, you need to at least specify the type or label in the node pattern. We insert a user node here. Each user node has properties. The underscore ID is a system property. It's also the unique identifier of nodes. No property value is provided in the node pattern, so ID is generated by the system, but other property values are null. You can specify property values in the property specification. The property gender is missing, so its value is still null. You can insert multiple nodes in one insert statement. Separate node patterns with commas. To insert an edge between nodes, you can first retrieve the start and destination nodes using the match statement, then reference their variables in the corresponding node patterns next to the edge pattern in the insert statement. This inserts an edge from U1 to U2. You can also insert an edge along with its two end nodes. This statement inserts two nodes and an edge between them. If you want to return the inserted data, you can assign it a variable and return it. As you become more proficient with GQL, you'll find that you can insert all nodes and edges in a single statement. This example first lists nodes, assigns each a variable, and then inserts edges between them. Let's run this statement in the GQL Playground. 5 nodes and 4 edges are inserted. You can retrieve all one-step paths to verify. You can pause the video now to test your knowledge of this lesson. The correct answers will appear in 10 seconds. In this lesson, we explained how to insert nodes and edges into a graph, either individually or together.